Hey guys, welcome to Symphonystreasures. Today's video, I will be showing you how I bling out a phone stand. So as you can see, I have my trays that I swear by, and I have 3 different size AB crystal stones, but I will only be using 2 different sizes. I'm not sure what that medium size is offhand, but I know the ones that I'm using right now are SS16s. Those are what I generally use when I'm blinging out things, either SS16s or SS20s. But I buy the mixed pack as well to use as fillers. So I've reached the next row and I'm using the honeycomb method, where you can see I'm putting each rhinestone in between 2 of the rhinestones, and it symbolizes the form of a honeycomb. This helps with showing less gaps and having to use less fillers. So this is a method that a lot of blingers use, and I find it to be extremely useful when I'm blinging my items. So if you're a blinger out there, you need to try this method. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Does it work for you? Did you do it correctly? Let me know below.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
And you see how I've spread the glue. You don't have to use a lot of glue. A little goes a long way, especially when you're using the E6000 glue. I have my jewel picker upper. I'm like so addicted to tools and what do you call it? Storage containers and jewel pick-uppers and whatever you want to call it. Pick-uppers, I said. But I'm so addicted to those type of things. I see cute different ones and I'm like, oh, I want to try that one. So yeah, I'm into all of that stuff. Look how the tray just turns over my rhinestones. Y'all gotta get those trays. I'm telling you, they the truth. But yeah, so I normally use the end. You see the end that I'm using right here? That's how I normally pick it up. I leave a little bit of glue and I let it get a little tacky. And instead of always using the wax end, I use that end, the sharp end, because I can also make sure it's in place as I'm applying the rhinestone on top of the E6000. Let me know in the comments below also if you're using any other type of glue. A lot of people say E6000 bothers them, gives them headaches because of the fumes, and I already know it causes cancer and stuff like that. But I have Gem Tack, but I tried it, but I'm a little leery of switching my glues because I know how E6000 works. So if you have any other glue, people use Liquid Fusion too, but they said it's really runny. I didn't try it, but y'all have any other glues that y'all could put your girl on, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, a little bit of the E6000 goes a long way, And once you apply the stone, you do not press down because you don't want the glue to, come up over the stone and dulling the shine. So you just want to make sure that, it's firmly there, but don't press it in or press it down. All right, y'all, I'm going to speed this up because I'm almost done. And I'm going to show y'all the finished product.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun.
All right, y'all, this is the finished product. If you'd like to purchase it, visit symphonystreasures.com. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram business page, Symphony's Treasures. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Miss Prissy. I'm signing off. Peace.